So this is what both players see. We have an iPhone 4 and an iPod Touch 4th generation. The UI is exactly the same, but sends different messages for both players so that the computer and the Isadora program can differentiate between the two players. We have a ready light, which is currently not lit. We have a return signal that displays the number of milliseconds that the reaction time actually was for both players. We have a tap me button, which actually activates. That's what the player uses to actually respond. And we have the reset button and the ready button. And you also have the signals as to whether you won or you lost. When both players are ready to play, they press the reset first and then the ready buttons. This will start the timer. Now, as soon as the yellow light goes off, the players are instructed to tap me or tap the green button. At that point, then the person who tapped first will win, and the person who tapped second will lose, and they will see that as such. When they're ready to play again, they just hit reset and ready, and the next round starts.
So our game starts with waiting for both players to be ready. As you can see up here, it's listening for the players to hit the ready button. It'll compare when those players have both hit the ready. As soon as they both have, it'll initiate the ready light on the game interface and start a timer. This timer is set to between 3 and 8 seconds. It generates a value between 3 and 8 seconds. Once that time is passed, the computer will turn off the ready light and turn on the tap me light. At that same point in time, it will also start another timer, waiting for players to react. As soon as players hit the tap me button, the timer data is output to a variable. The Isadora compares those two variables. The player with the lower number, the lower time, wins that round, and then this over here is lighting up the you won or you lost buttons for each player. At that point, the players have the option to reset the timers, all this down here, and push ready to begin the next round, taking us back up to the top of the loop.